Are you looking for perfect design inspiration? This video is for you.
To understand how this can be done, let's first recall how regular one-track recording is accomplished.
If you are new to the channel, we have many design inspirations for you. Hit the like button if you like the video so far. Have you ever hung a frame not in the right place? We have taken the most important aspects of interior design and condensed them into a free cheat sheet for you. Check out the free designer toolkit on our website, designercheatsheet.com. Let's first recall how regular one-track recording is accomplished. If this video was useful, give it a like. Thanks for tuning in. Check out designercheatsheet.com for useful tips and free stuff.